Hi everyone, so for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Before we begin, please do hit the like and subscribe button. So first, open your Microsoft Teams account. Go to the calendar and select the new meeting icon right here. Enter the necessary information about the meeting, such as its title, the names of the participants of the meeting, which includes their email address, and of course, the date and time. You can also add in a location and meeting details if you want to or if you prefer to. Then just click Save Schedule. You can choose to either copy the link or not, and that should appear on your calendar. You can check this by going to the calendar if it's there. You can now send the meeting link to your desired participants, especially those who were not included in the participants lists that were entered earlier when filling in the details of the meeting. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.